Because my name done out there already, so I'm finally left. Trisha, a bad man, you're a bad man because of the love of you see me show your baby father. And as to Dwayne, mother, we are constantly tell Dwayne to go back to Jamaica. You live America, the two live America, and you never make it possible for Dewey reach.
Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. If on the first time, please do subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. Yeah, for all who don't know as yet, Queenie and her husband Dewey have big altercation and disagreements taking place right now. I'm gonna share the video so she can chat to Uno. But as far as me hear and see, them left.
Dewey, you're not style, man. You left her from before 8, and you say you soon come. You say your baby mother said the only way you can see your son unless you break up with me. And your mother agree with it. But let me tell you this, me alone now stay here, sir. And my brains are got 100 miles a minute. I'm ashamed because of what people are going to say. Because my name done out there already, so I'm finally left. Trisha, a bad man, you're a bad man because of the love of you see me show your baby father. And as to Dwayne, mother, we are constantly tell Dwayne to go back to Jamaica. You live America, the two live America, and you never make it possible for Dewey reach. I'm going to take him out of the slum for better himself, and the whole on the turn against blood clot me. But none of you can make me feel guilty. Me proud of myself. I'm a proud son of murder and send for him. And now we separate him, take up from mine and him gone 8 o'clock, say him soon come back. Me not take disrespect. I mean I use no shame face. You can't come out of my house and gone near your murder. I mean I know where you're gone.
Yeah, people, so Spice, went on live on Instagram and have a talk with our besties in a while.
Name and calling my name and saying I love to sing about pum pum, and the only thing I sing about is pum pum. Now all I have to say to anybody out there who keep on telling lies on me, say it's pure pum pum song I sing. Keep my motherfucking name out your mouth.
We shot the same clothes from the
Sheet and then for me like an eagle eye, cool it and conjugal with it. Rewind, nickel and make we go down, me color, yeah, me proud to be black. That was a little piece of me story. Best thing we do when me link with Shaggy. Sign with the ranch, so we my mental be. So a time for me take a young create history. From me fat to the bone to me chocolate tone. Me hear them a moan, enough of them a run around. Undisputed queen to me zone. Comfortable, well sit down in a me throne.
your ass.
Oh, the rhythm done already? Done right, that's
You
the
the
next
next
one.
Boom.
Guys, I love you.
I'm out.
Like I said, I'm gonna leave it right here. I drops the fucking mic.
There's so much.
Keep my motherfucking name out your mouth. Sing pum pum song is uno. Love when I sing the pum pum song.
I listen to it.
Because when I sing the other types of song, uno na listen to them or uno na like them. So let us change the narrative. Me a gonna catalog a song we don't even know about, we don't sing, we don't tag me in a daytime, we don't dance to. But we start it. Go on. Oh, you give me my DJ?
1-1. Me not like that.
1999. Let me carry this shit here closer. Hold on. 1998. Hold on. Oh, that is how Spice start out. That was 1998. Now go down in night again. Select and stay too far. Run the next track because it's going to be a long night. So we have to skip through. That was one song, no pum pum no night. That was 1998 when we start out. Very nice and cute. Me not like that. You just call me on my phone and tell me, say me don't stop. You never want to hear that blood clot then. You never want to hear that. Play something else. Hold on, I saw this DJ. You not do it good. Hold on, you not understand. Hold on. We have to tell them the song them. Alright. You must say I select and dance, you know. You have to tell them which song I'm going to play. But we can intro it.
Okay, we're going to be playing Spice No Matter
No Matter What. Alright, you see that song you know? It named No Matter What. This is how Grace Hamilton started out. This was from I don't remember the year, but we are going in the days. I'm better you don't remember them song. Play the song. Was 9 leaving 5 of us behind. I watch mama struggle to put on a pot, lot of clothes and shoes. I really never got, but I never make that bother me much. Coming out of the ghetto, have to make it and such. Promise myself to make it to the top. People try to pull me back. I can hear them a chat. No matter what people say, I'm gonna make it anyway. No matter what I say or do, my dreams and my goals, they will come true. No matter what people pull up. Wheel. Hold it right there, so. Wanna love Vibe Cartel, I wanna love Spice, right? Alright. Put in Spice and Vibe Cartel. Let me see what come up. We're gonna type Spice and Vibes Cartel and we're gonna see what come up. Come closer. Where's it come up?
Spice and Vibes Cartel.
Conjugal visit. How much views?
89 million views.
89 million views. Conjugal visits. Spice and Vibes Cartel ramping shop. Over 20 odd million views. That is not what I'm playing. Cause me tell you, say tonight, me I play some song when I have nothing to do with pum pum. What you don't know, and you don't talk about, but you make the narrative look like I be a pum pum song and I be a slack song me do. So I'm gonna play the song them you don't want to talk about cause I don't want to hear those type of songs. And then you put the blame on me and say me now sing certain type of song. And a ramping shot me I look for. Play with me I look for with Spice and Vibes Cartel.
General Spice.
That song yeah? Pull up. Una play that? Una playing those songs down there? Do you know that song? Una know that? No, una know Ramping Shop. Play it again, Mr. Selector. We'll have come again. No. Listen, Spice. Yeah, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, me not afraid. No man can stress. Yeah, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, me not afraid. Pull up, Mr. Selector. You know why me skip through the song them fast? A big catalog for no listen to. I don't want the life cut off without you no hear how much song me I go play. On a count, how much song that we reach? Well, on them not do with pum pum, but you're not playing them, you're not talking about them not bust because I don't want to hear those songs. Yeah. So stop say Spice don't sing those songs. Say I don't like those songs. Who this? Pull up. No, you can't do that. You can't do that. Come here, let me talk to you because you're young. So you don't understand. This is a legend you are going to play. So when you have to talk on the mic. What the mic? I don't know. You have to go for those places and laces microphone girl. You're crazy. You have to talk on the mic. You're selector.
I apologize about that.
Yeah, man. Intro the song properly when people them know what I go and selector.
Come down. We're talking about Spice and Jimmy Cliff. I want, I do, I get. You know, if we really top one more time and big up the great Jimmy Cliff.
You hear what the girl said?
Big song.
Call the man name again.
Jimmy Cliff.
Jimmy Cliff. Legendary Jimmy Cliff. This is not no joke thing. When you talk about, you don't know them song, you're not going to know it tonight. Play Jimmy Cliff and Spice. You're a dancer.
Oh, sorry.
You can't wine. You're a DJ. You're a DJ, no pum pum. And you many people that say I be a pum pum. So see what I tell you, you're ready for wine. This is a classic.
Sorry.
You have to do so like you're Bill Weed.
Yeah.
And do some little shrubble-doo.
Yeah.
Some little shrubba-dooba thing. And
yeah.
you need them to catch
Skanking.
fire and little skanking.
Yeah.
And a whining style now.
I like it.
Put up the song and play it again. Spice and Jimmy Cliff. Una Rampo. Anything you want, you know you can get. I want, I do, I get.